akoigi government na both the central and the state government they fails to respond to the need of the Manipuri people, that is to restore peace and to maintain the territorial integrity of the people. And so I strongly urge the central government to look upon this matter as soon as possible, because every day in every nook and corner of our state there is bloodshed everywhere, and there is a cry of every mother, there is cry for every mother. And so we really want peace, and we really want to live our life in peace. Adu simasi ay haizaningi, and moreover, and top of that, the main reason why aigi oiba mota mayam gi sum mass media da tai da yeng akoy matung ina akoy mass media da experience tawra pai matung ina akoy na main reason se akoy gi huzik oi riba akoy gi kanglu ki rang se main reason se akoy gi mayam live India government na su se aborget to bidaba su na maram oiraga akoy gi underground militants na free da akoy gi se pai raga pairaga ko chatlaga akoy gi normal citizenship ki marakta lairaga makoy na lan hobaneba. And moreover aigi oiba mota akoy gi international border Myanmar gi international border fencing se phazana laiteba phazana laitabanina akoy gi illegal immigrants thousands and thousands lakhs and lakhs of illegal immigrants every month akoy da influx tawreba. So this is the problem, and this is the belief that our India government has given to the people of Manipur, and I strongly protest against this, and I strongly condemn against this. We as a citizen of India, we have every right to enjoy our life, we have every right for peace, but so far for the past 9 months, where has the government gone? Why are they dumb, and why do they doesn't utter a single word against the existing conflict in our Manipur? And so I would like to strongly urge the attentions of all those people who resides around the world, to work hand in hand together so as to restore peace and unity in our state Manipur. Khudam zari ima lebang e ai phare.